everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on my Valentine's Day manicure. I did a gradient heart Dotticure. So to start off with the base colors that I used, I have a very pretty white here from Zoya's Purity. I also used a few Insta-Dri nail polishes. So the red I used is Scarlet, and then the pink I used is Carnation Pink, and these are from the Crayola and Sally Hansen collaboration. And then I used a very beautiful polish from Nevermind polish called Phoenix Fire. This is a multi-chrome or duochrome nail polish with some red flakies. So to start off the Dotticure, I started with the red nail polish, and I used Zoya's Purity, and I created a small little heart in the center just using 3 little dots and then kind of dragging them into one another to create, like I said, a very small heart. I essentially use this as a guideline for the rest of the manicure. So then I went in with the lighter pink, and I mixed a little bit of white in here to make it even lighter. And I essentially did a dot at the top, a dot at the bottom, and then went all the way around the heart. You can make the dots as close as you want or as spread apart as you want. I kind of liked the unevenness of this manicure. I didn't really want it to be completely symmetrical. And then I repeated the process with a little bit of Scarlet and Carnation Pink kind of mixed together, because when I first went in with Scarlet, it blended too much into the nail polish, the base nail polish. So of course I wanted to lighten it up a little bit. You can play around with this. So the gradient I chose to do was from light, like a light center, to dark. You can choose whatever gradient you want. You can go from dark to light. If you do that, the heart's definitely going to stand out a lot more on that darker red base. That's essentially what I did with my white nail. I went in with a very light pink. So again, I mixed some of Zoya's Purity with Carnation Pink. I wanted to lighten up that pink a little bit more. I went in and did my center heart with the 3 dots, again, dragging it into the center. And then I went in with Carnation Pink on the outside, again, a dot on the top, dot on the bottom, then went all the way around. And lastly, I ended with just Scarlet because I really wanted that red to stand out against the white. So this one was kind of a reverse gradient in comparison to my other nail. And of course, I topped everything off with a nice top coat to make my manicure last. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!